In this quick video, I'll show you how you can sell digital products on Wix, and I'll show you how you can get it all set up in under 5 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Wix website editor, and you first need to go to search in the top right hand corner, and you just want to do a search for store. Once you've done that, you should see under the app market here, Wix stores. So you need to go and install that to your website. For me, I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to open it. But what you would do is you would install it. It's completely free, and you can see it's had many downloads. I'm going to open it and show you how it works here and how you can use it to sell digital products. So I'm going to go to add apps, and I'm just going to open the store here. So you can see now my Wix stores is adding to my website. So now once you've added Wix stores, what it's going to do is going to create a new page, which is just for your store. So here, if you just go and exit out of this, you can see we're now on the shop page. We've got a home page, and we've also got a shop page here. Now, what this has done is it's added a storefront to our website, and we can add products to this storefront, including digital products, and I'll show you how you can do that now. So if you go to settings first, you can customize what this store looks like, and you can actually do a lot of customization. You can add different products from collections, or you can just show all different products here. You can go to layout, you can change how the layout of the store looks, you can change these settings, and you can customize quite a lot of things inside of this menu here. But we're not really here for that. I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products. So what you want to do, you want to go to manage products, and once you're here, you should be able to see all of the products which are currently listed. Of course, they're just default ones added by Wix, and you can go ahead and delete them by clicking on the 3 dots here and then clicking delete. And you can also select all of the products and delete all of them at once. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to new product, which is in the top right hand corner, and you can click here where it says digital file, and you can go and upload a digital file that you want to sell. So you can go and upload your file here, and your buyers will receive that file in their email as well as a thank you page once they go and buy. You can also add a name, a ribbon here, you can add the price. Mine is currently in box, I'm in Thailand. You can add a sale, a description, images and videos, and you don't really need to worry about inventory because it's a digital product. So once you've done that, you can go and add it, and you can go and have that the only product on your store, or you can go and have multiple products. Now, if you want to go and add your payment methods so you can get paid for these products, go to main menu, then scroll down here and go to settings. Once you're in settings, you can go and discard these changes or save them. But when you're in settings, you want to go to accept payments, and here you can choose what type of payment methods you want to accept, whether that be credit card, PayPal, and you can then click connect me and connect your payment methods to Wix. After you've done that and you've uploaded your digital product, it should show on your store, and then people will be able to buy it, and you're going to get paid every time they do. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in the next one.